Hi guys, welcome back to Cook with Antoinette T. Today I'm showing you how to toast bread without a toaster. Yes, just use your regular pan from the kitchen. It's super easy, fast, and you'll get that crispy golden finish. For our ingredients, we have 3 eggs, a loaf of bread, salt, and that's it. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's start by cracking the 3 eggs and then adding a pinch of salt and mixing them. With the cooking pan on the heat, we are going to use a spoonful of cooking oil and then dip our bread into the eggs, both sides. Then we'll place on the pan and let it fry. So repeat the process for all the eggs. Look at that. I honestly love how this toast bread turned out. Be sure to try it this way using a pan and tell me in the comment section. Come back and give a review of how yours turned out. Also be sure to share the video with your friends so that they can give it a try. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.